I welcome us all to another wonderful episode on our Yoruba lesson. Today we are going to be talking about the Yoruba swallow food and the appropriate verbs that we use with it. So basically we are going to be looking at 4 Yoruba swallow food, namely amala, iyan, eba, and fufu. Going on with amala, we say ro amala, that is to make amala. It will be incorrect to say te amala, gun amala, but rather we say ro amala, mo fẹ́ ro amala. Moving on to iyan, which is also known as pounded yam, we say gun iyan, gun iyan. So we can say ó fẹ́ gun iyan. We cannot say mo fẹ́ ro iyan unless we are talking about the pounded yam. Moving on to eba, the appropriate verb for that is te. So we say te eba, mo fẹ́ tẹ eba. The last one is fufu, which is ro fufu, ro fufu, afe ro fufu. So all this means we want to make or want to prepare this swallow food. So which one is your favorite? For me, I like to go for amala and abula. What about you? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.
RmaBabaYoruba TV.